In this video, I will walk you through a guided meditation on releasing fears from your chakras. Let's prepare for the meditation. Sit in a comfortable posture. Make sure you can comfortably breathe. Your spine is straight. Close your eyes and let's begin. Beloveds, we call forth our greater God Self, the Masters and Evolution Support Team, and overlighting Angel of Healing in service to the light and law of one of which we serve. Beloveds, please install the lattice work of light into the layers of each of the chakra systems, fully, completely, and totally, clearing any and all fear-based programs lodged there. We call in the platinum ray to sweep through our field, clearing and removing all imbalanced energies or matrices within our physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual bodies. Beloveds, as we focus on our root chakra, we ask to fully clear any and all core fears in our root chakra. Beloveds, please clear, heal, align, anchor, activate, synchronize, fill with light, repair and reconnect the root chakra, the root channels, and the root complex. We request the root chakra be balanced and attuned to the Christic Ascended Master state of consciousness. Beloveds, let us focus on our sacral or second chakra. We request all core fears be fully cleared and removed from the second chakra easily and effortlessly. Beloveds, please clear, heal, align, anchor, activate, synchronize, fill with light, repair and reconnect the second chakra channels, and the second chakra complex. Beloveds, we request to magnetically attune the second chakra to the Ascended Master state of consciousness. Beloveds, as we focus on our solar plexus, our third chakra, we fully request the clearing and release of all core fears from our solar plexus. Beloveds, please clear, heal, align, anchor, activate, synchronize, fill with light, repair and reconnect the solar plexus complex, and the solar plexus channels. As we attune the infinite power of the solar plexus of our greater God Self, beloveds, please attune the solar plexus to the Ascended Master state of consciousness. As we place our attention on our heart center, beloveds, we request all core fears be removed from our heart chakra. Please clear, heal, align, anchor, activate, synchronize, fill with light, repair and reconnect the heart chakra channels, and the heart complex. We request the heart center be fully attuned to the Ascended Master state of consciousness. As we focus on our fifth chakra, the throat center, to align to divine will, beloveds, please clear and remove all core fears from within our fifth chakra. Assist us with the courage and bravery to express that truth fully aligned to the divine will and divine presence. Beloveds, please clear, heal, align, anchor, activate, synchronize, fill with light, repair and reconnect the fifth chakra, the throat center, its complex and its channels. Beloveds, as we focus on our throat center and throat chakra, we request an attunement to spiritual will and divine purpose, fully attuned to the ascended master state of consciousness. As we focus on our sixth chakra of our third eye, we request all core fear be released and removed as we allow the inner vision and clarity to fully pervade our being, removing all obstacles, aligning to absolute clarity of oneness and union with the divine self. Beloveds, please clear, heal, align, anchor, activate, synchronize, fill with light, repair and reconnect the sixth chakra, the sixth chakra complex, and the sixth chakra channels. Open all spiritual links fully and completely through the divine vision. We request the full attunement of our third eye to be aligned to that of the ascended master state of awareness. Beloveds, as we focus on our crown chakra, widening the crown to receive spiritual guidance and connection with the celestial energies, we request that all density and fear energies be fully cleared from our crown chakra. Beloveds, please clear, heal, align, anchor, activate, synchronize, fill with light, repair and reconnect the crown chakra, the crown chakra channels, and the crown chakra complex. We request an attunement to the union of the divine self in right relationships with our brothers and sisters. Beloveds, please attune the crown to the ascended master state of consciousness. Beloveds, we now request the universal harmonics, the tones of every octave and frequency, the dimensional time matrix to flood our being into the unified chakra attunement. We ask for a blending of our entire chakra column to function as one unified chakra, as one unified being of light, fully aligned, fully fulfilled, and fully embodied. Beloveds, in deep love and gratitude, our infinite stream of love is with you in all ways, and so it is. We seal and end this session into the light of union and wholeness. Namaste.